our new RV bathroom sink faucet. Looks pretty good. But wait, before you do that, make sure you do this. Hi guys, Tom here. I highly recommend you convert and upgrade to a SharkBite fitting. When you're changing out your faucet, you end up with a shutoff valve, and you'll get rid of these pesky, leaky Pecs fittings. Say that fast. It also allows you to use your standard supply line faucet connectors any length you want, so you don't have to worry about the length of your Pecs lines. So let's take a look at the SharkBite. They're pretty simple to use. See if I can get this open. They're about $10 if you buy them from a bigger store. You won't need this compression fitting if you use your standard supply line. But all you do is you cut your Pecs, whichever length you want to use your supply line. Cut your Pecs square. You push the SharkBite on and you're done. And then you end up with a shutoff valve. That way when you want to work on your plumbing on your RV, there's no need to shut the water supply off to the whole rig. So let's go see how it goes on. Here we are under the sink looking at our Pecs lines. I've already cut one of them off and installed the Shark and run my new supply line up to the faucet. Here is the other one. What you need to do is you need to cut your Pecs line at the length required to install your Shark. I've got a little play here, so it's not that critical. What you want to do is you want to make sure you cut your Pecs squarely, and they do make a cutting tool for that. I don't happen to have one, but you do need to make a square cut, so mark your pipe all the way around and make a square cut. I'm just going to use a razor knife, and we're going to do that now. Okay, there it is. It's a pretty clean cut. You want to make sure there aren't any burrs. I need to do a little trimming on it. That's where the Pecs cutting tool would come in handy. Okay, I've cut my pipe as square as I can. I've made sure there aren't any burrs on it. They want you to mark down an inch because this fitting is supposed to slide on an inch. So you just make sure that inside tube in there goes inside your Pecs tube, and you just slide it on. That's it. They're done. Then you can hook up your supply line, tighten things up. You can even turn these. And I've got a couple clamps that hold them to the wall, and now I've got my new shutoffs. So once you have your fitting pushed on to your inch mark, you can replace this clip. And this is also a disconnect tool. You can disconnect these and reuse them. So if you turn this around, you can disconnect these. But for now, we're just going to put it on here and clip it back up to where it goes there. So don't change your faucet in your RV without putting on your SharkBite with shutoff valves. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you find this simple tip useful.